Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered about the sun and the moon? These celestial bodies are more than just bright lights in our sky. They're characters in an amazing cosmic dance, and sometimes they put on a spectacular show for us. Eclipses. Eclipses have fascinated humankind for centuries. Imagine a time before electricity when the sun and moon were the brightest sources of light. Now imagine one of them seemingly disappearing from the sky. These celestial events are truly awe-inspiring. An eclipse occurs when the sun, moon, and earth align in a perfect straight line. It's like a cosmic ballet, where shadows and light play across the cosmos. But there's more to it than just a beautiful sight. Eclipses have played a significant role in shaping our understanding of the universe. Let's delve into the science behind these celestial marvels. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth. Imagine the moon, our planet's natural satellite, taking a stroll in front of the sun. As the moon moves into position, it blocks out the sun's light, casting a shadow on Earth. During a solar eclipse, the sky darkens, and the temperature drops noticeably. It's as if day turns to twilight in a matter of minutes. Animals may get confused, thinking it's nighttime. There are different types of solar eclipses, each creating a unique spectacle in the sky. We'll explore these variations in the next section. But first, let's remember that looking directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can be dangerous. We'll discuss safe viewing practices later on. Not all solar eclipses are created equal. The type of solar eclipse we experience depends on how perfectly the moon aligns with the sun and earth. Let's explore the fascinating variations. Total solar eclipse. This is the most awe-inspiring type. It occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, creating a breathtaking view of the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona. This corona appears as a glowing ring of light around the darkened moon. Partial solar eclipse. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon only partially covers the sun. It's like taking a bite out of a cosmic cookie. The sun will appear as a crescent, its bright light still shining around the moon's silhouette. Annular solar eclipse. This type of eclipse happens when the moon is farthest from Earth in its orbit. Because of the distance, the moon appears slightly smaller than the sun in the sky. The result is a ring of fire effect where the outer edge of the sun forms a bright ring around the moon's silhouette. Each type of solar eclipse offers a unique celestial spectacle. Remember, safety is paramount when observing these events. Never look directly at the sun even during an eclipse without proper eye protection. When the moon blushes, stepping into the lunar eclipse. Now let's turn our attention to another celestial spectacle, the lunar eclipse. While a solar eclipse involves the moon blocking the sun, a lunar eclipse occurs when Earth casts its shadow on the moon. Imagine the sun, Earth, and moon in a straight line with Earth positioned in the middle. As the moon passes behind Earth, it moves into our planet's shadow. This shadow gradually engulfs the moon, causing a lunar eclipse. Unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be seen from a limited area on Earth, a lunar eclipse is visible from anywhere on Earth where the moon is above the horizon. Lunar eclipses also last much longer than solar eclipses, often for several hours. As with solar eclipses, there are different types of lunar eclipses, each with its unique characteristics. Let's explore these lunar variations in more detail. Total, partial, or penumbral, the lunar eclipses palette. Just like solar eclipses, lunar eclipses come in different forms, each painting the moon in a different light. Here's a closer look at the variations. Total lunar eclipse. During a total lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow completely covers the moon. However, the moon doesn't completely disappear from the sky. Instead, it takes on a reddish or copper hue. This coloration comes from sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere and scattering onto the moon. Partial lunar eclipse. In a partial lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow only partially covers the moon. It's as if a giant bite has been taken out of the lunar surface. The darkened portion of the moon will have a reddish tint, while the rest remains brightly illuminated. Penumbral lunar eclipse. This type of lunar eclipse is the most subtle. It occurs when the moon passes through Earth's penumbra, a faint outer region of Earth's shadow. A penumbral eclipse is often difficult to discern with the naked eye, as the moon's brightness only slightly diminishes. Each type of lunar eclipse offers a unique perspective on the interplay of light and shadow in our solar system. And the best part? You can safely observe a lunar eclipse with the naked eye. No special equipment is needed to witness this celestial dance. The dance of orbits. Why eclipses aren't monthly affairs. If eclipses are caused by the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth, why don't we experience them every month? The answer lies in the intricate dance of celestial orbits. Imagine the moon's orbit around Earth as slightly tilted compared to Earth's orbit around the sun. This tilt means that the three celestial bodies don't always line up perfectly. Most of the time, the moon passes above or below Earth's shadow, and we don't get an eclipse. For an eclipse to occur, the moon must be at or near one of the 2 points where its orbit intersects with Earth's orbital plane. These points are called nodes. When a full moon or new moon occurs close to a node, the conditions are right for an eclipse. This alignment doesn't happen every month, which is why eclipses are relatively rare occurrences. The precise timing and type of eclipse depend on the complex interplay of celestial mechanics, making each eclipse a unique event.